Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to use ESP32 internal clock when there is no Wi-Fi or you don't want to use Wi-Fi. So in this code I have taken help from this time library from Paul, and I am using help of unixTimestamp.com. This website is recommended because this also gives me a copy option, but there is another website which is Epoch and Unix timestamp conversion. So you can use any one of those. They both give you the current Unix time. If you go to their website, both the websites explain what is this time and how this is calculated. The important commands are to include the TimeLib.h. This is the command that will set value of the internal clock. This is the input of the internal clock, and these are the outputs: hour, minute, seconds, day, month, year, weekday, and now. So I have left the code in the description. You need to remember one thing: if you turn off power off your ESP32, the time will not be saved. You need again to set time. This is not the real-time clock that uses the cell battery, the coin battery. So whenever there is no power in ESP, you will lose the time. So let's see how this works. Let me reset this. So this is my ESP32 starting, and it is asking for the timestamp. I can get from this website or this website. I will go simply to this website, copy, and then I will paste it here. Input, yep, enter, and you can see once I enter the code. Let me do it again. Just copy paste and pressing enter, and now you can see that I have the time in hour, minute, seconds. I have the date. I have the weekday. Today is Saturday, so this is 7, and this is the output from the Unix timestamp from the ESP32. I'm using the now function. Okay, so this is being updated every 5 seconds. So this is 14, next will be 19, I believe. If it comes, yeah, now this is 19. So this is a simple code. And this is how simple it is to use the ESP32 internal clock. If you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments. I will try to answer those. Thank you.